Lunasin, the cholesterol-lowering ingredient found naturally in soy. According to the American Heart Association, over 80 million U.S. adults currently suffer from some form of heart disease. High cholesterol is a leading cause of heart disease. Sometimes a healthy diet and exercise are not enough to maintain healthy cholesterol levels. Scientific evidence shows that Lunasin is a key component in soy and is responsible for its LDL cholesterol-lowering properties. High LDL cholesterol, or bad cholesterol, is a known indicator for an increased risk of heart disease. There are two sources of cholesterol: dietary intake and the body's own production within the liver. The liver produces cholesterol between meals and while you sleep. The liver creates over 80% of the body's cholesterol, while dietary sources account for just 20%. The most effective way to lower LDL cholesterol is to control the liver's internal production. Cells in the liver use an enzyme called HMG-CoA reductase to produce cholesterol. Cholesterol and other fats do not dissolve in the blood, but are transported to cells via special carriers called lipoproteins. Cholesterol is carried by both low-density lipoproteins, or LDL, and high-density lipoproteins, or HDL. HDL, or good cholesterol, removes cholesterol and transports it back to the liver for excretion or reutilization. When a cell requires cholesterol, LDL receptors are formed to grab passing LDL particles and bring them into the cell. However, LDL can also deposit cholesterol onto artery walls. People with higher amounts of LDL, or bad cholesterol, have a greater chance of plaque buildup in their arteries, which increases the risk for heart attacks and strokes. Lunasin lowers the amount of the HMG enzyme produced, thus lowering the amount of enzyme available for use by the liver in cholesterol production. Lunasin also increases the number of LDL receptors on the liver cells, allowing them to extract a larger percentage of LDL cholesterol from the blood. Lunasin reduces LDL cholesterol in two ways. First, it inhibits the production of LDL. Second, Lunasin increases the production of LDL receptors on the liver cells that literally cleanse the LDL produced by the liver from the bloodstream. Today we know that eating right and regular exercise may not be enough to lower cholesterol. Lunasin is an ingredient contained in soy that could lower cholesterol levels easily and naturally.